Life's golden moments deserve to be celebrated with something special, like sweets, gifts, chocolates. And when we think of chocolates, who can forget the famous Ferrero? Be it Ferrero, Rocher, or Raffaello, who doesn't like them? How cool is it if we get to have a flavor of both these goodies in a single bite? Mouth-watering, isn't it? So in this episode, we will create a blend of these two treats with just 3 to 4 ingredients. Stay tuned with me till the end. Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Celebrate this festive season with these creamy, nutty, chocolate coconut delights. So let's get started without further ado. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, ring that bell and select all to get notified on some amazing videos. As you can see, this is desiccated coconut to which I have added condensed milk aka milk made to it. Both these ingredients are easily available in any store. You would mostly find them in the same store. Combine these two ingredients well and start making small sized balls out of it and keep them aside in a container. These coconut balls are already done. Quick, isn't it? Let's go ahead and make the chocolate syrup. Using the double boiler method, we will now melt the chocolate. Fill a pot with 2 inches of water and place it on the hob or stove. Add chocolate chunks in the top pot and turn on your burner to a simmer. As the water heats up and steam is released, the chocolate melts. If you feel the chocolate is too thick, add a few drops of milk to it. Remember that it shouldn't be runny or else it won't coat well. Your chocolate syrup is now ready. I have used milk chocolate with hazelnuts here. You can use a combination of milk and dark chocolate based on your preference. Add a handful of chopped almonds in the syrup for that nutty texture. Give it a good mix and keep it aside to cool down to room temperature. Once it cools down, pick a coconut ball and dip it in the chocolate syrup. Coat it well and keep it aside in a separate plate. Repeat the process for all the coconut balls. You can now refrigerate them for a few hours or overnight for them to set well. For that extra chocolatey flavor, I dip the balls in the remaining chocolate syrup for the second time after 2 hours and refrigerated them overnight. And here is the end result. Look how beautiful and tempting these dark delights are. I can't resist not to take a bite and they taste absolutely amazing. Definitely worth a try. If you like this delicacy, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this with your family and friends. Stay happy, stay safe.